Patrol, we're going to be opening up all these cool sets. First, let's open up Sky Pup to the Hero playset and Marshall Pup to the Hero playset. From Pup to Hero. Okay, here's everything that comes in this set. What happens is Sky is not wearing any of her gear. She's a pup without any gear. She better go in here and be transformed into a hero. Okay. Uh-oh, she's having a little trouble in getting in there. Okay. And now, you put the other Sky right here. See, because she has all her stuff on. And she's all ready to go. So we say, okay, Pup to the rescue! Now she's all ready to go! Now we do the same thing for Marshall. He doesn't have any of his stuff on. He better get ready. He's all ready to go. Let's see that again. This pup's gotta fly. To the Ruff Ruff rescue. Hey, wait a minute. That's not Sky. Next, let's open up this Rubble and Sea Turtles rescue set. Rubble rescues the sea turtles by leading them to the coast. Watch out, everyone! This is a sea turtle crossing. Ruff, ruff! Alright, it's safe to cross. Next, we're going to open up Rubble's digging bulldozer. Rubble on the double. Wow, look at his face mask. Looks like he's all ready to go in his awesome bulldozer.
Wait, not
Beep, 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 beep. What's wrong, Rubble? Some sea turtles are trying to cross a busy street. I better go help. Rubble on the double. Here, you can use mine. Thanks. Ruff, ruff. Let's help too, Marshall. Let's get ready. Wait a minute, that's not right. Let's try this again. A green pig? Ruff, ruff. Let me try. Wait a minute, that's not me. Oh no! If I don't do something, these sea turtles could get hurt. I have an idea. Burp, burp, burp. Oh, a sea turtles crossing sign. Well, I guess that means I can go. Okay, one more time. Yay, I did it! I'm all ready to go. Well, I'm all done. I saved those sea turtles. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Be right, your comment, and subscribe.
I'll see you guys next time. Bye!